Well, hello there, you petrol heads. Did you miss the roar of a naturally aspirated V12 engine? The scent of rich leather and the thrill of untamable horsepower? Of course you did. And guess what? Lamborghini heard your prayers. They're back with a brand new raging bull, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, and trust me, it's an absolute corker. Picture this. A blindingly bright orange, the kind of orange that demands attention, that screams for you to look its way. It's not just a color, it's a statement, a declaration of power and presence. The kind that makes your retinas sizzle. It's as if the sun itself decided to take a form and roll on four wheels. Now, drape that color over a body sculpted by the gods themselves, every curve, every line meticulously crafted to perfection, exuding an aura of invincibility. That, my friends, is the new Revuelto, a masterpiece of engineering and design, a true testament to Lamborghini's legacy. Sitting in a showroom bathed in light, it looks like a predator ready to pounce. The light dances off its surface, highlighting its aggressive stance and sleek profile. The iconic Lamborghini badge, proudly emblazoned on the rear, a warning to anyone foolish enough to challenge it. It's a symbol of speed, power, and prestige. And those headlights, pure glossy black, they aren't just for show. They are the eyes of this beast, ready to illuminate the path ahead. Like the eyes of a shark, they seem to pierce through your very soul. They promise an experience that is as thrilling as it is unforgettable. Let's talk about the exterior. Every curve, every crease screams speed. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a masterpiece of automotive design, blending sleekness with an aggressive stance that commands attention. It's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. This car isn't just designed to cut through the air, it's designed to tear it to shreds. The aerodynamic efficiency is unparalleled, ensuring that every drive feels like a race against the wind. The Revuelto boasts aggressive lines, a low-slung profile, and those massive air intakes. These features aren't just for aesthetics, they serve a crucial purpose in enhancing performance. They're not just for show, you know. They gulp down air, feeding the beast within. The engine roars to life, thanks to these intakes, providing the power and speed that Lamborghini is renowned for. And let's not forget the rear diffuser. It looks like it could suck the paint off a Honda Civic at 200 miles per hour. This component is essential for maintaining stability at high speeds, ensuring that the car remains glued to the road. Not that you'd ever want to be near a Honda Civic in this thing. The Revuelto is in a league of its own, a true testament to Lamborghini's commitment to excellence and performance. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for. What's under the hood? The Lamborghini Revuelto 2025 is not just a pretty face, it's a beast waiting to be unleashed. Well, hold on to your hats, because it's a hybrid powertrain that'll blow your socks off. This isn't your average hybrid, it's a marvel of modern engineering. We're talking about a naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with not one, not two, but three electric motors. The combined output over 1,000 horsepower. That's right, this car is a powerhouse on wheels. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000. As for the price, well, let's just say it's as jaw-dropping as the performance. Well, if you have to ask, you can't afford it. This car is for those who live life in the fast lane and have the bank account to match. But for those lucky few with pockets deeper than Elon Musk's rocket collection, this is the ultimate status symbol. Expect to shell out well over $1 million. Yes, you heard that right, over $1 million for this piece of automotive excellence. So there you have it, the Lamborghini Revuelto. A car that redefines what it means to be a supercar. A car that's not just a masterpiece of engineering, but a testament to human ingenuity and passion. It's not just a vehicle, it's a work of art. Every curve, every detail, meticulously crafted. It's loud, it's brash, and it demands attention wherever it goes. And it's absolutely undeniably Lamborghini, a true icon in the world of